Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video we have a 2013 Ford Explorer. And I will show you how to take off your taillight bulbs, taillights, in order to get to your taillight bulbs. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk and get the necessary tools. I think we're gonna need to get a flathead screwdriver in order to get these caps off. So get our screwdriver in. Try not to scratch nothing, use two hands and get out both covers. Okay, get them out. Next step, we're gonna use a 10mm ratchet with a socket. Okay, so, oh no, it's not even 10, looks like 8. Give me a second. Yes, so get 8mm ratchet and remove both screws. I mean nuts, these are nuts, bolts. Okay, so I got both screws out, and now we have to remove the light. The thing is, in here there's a clip inside which holds the glass to the frame of the car. To get it out, you'll have to use two hands. You wiggle with one hand, but push here with the other hand. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna try to put you guys here, maybe to see what I'm talking about. So check it out. Okay, so you saw, just because we have to get it out from here. Okay, yeah, at this point, when we have our light out, we just remove bulbs by spinning them. Just spin and pull out. That's it. Once you have to remove the bulb, you just pull it off with your fingers. Then you replace the bulb. And spin. Nice. Same thing here. Okay, so spin, get it out, turn signal. Get the rubber, put it here, it's gonna be easier this way. Again, put it in, spin, you're all set. Once you did this, and you have to put the light back on, note that here you see these pins, this one, and this one should go around here. So align this carefully. Okay, make sure holes are aligned here, and then you can just either tap it a little bit. Make sure everything's nice. There should be no gaps here. Okay, if you want to double check how it should look, come here, take a look, okay, and compare the sides. So this is good. Now we have to just put back both screws, and after that we will put the covers, and you're all set. If you need to buy the replacement bulbs, you can buy them at the dealer, at the parts store, some gas stations. You can order them online and switch it in 5 minutes, easy. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's very simple. So guys, I really hope this helps, and if it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.